Welcome to HitPaw channel. Old photos can evoke our memory and emotion. We all have old photos that we wish were in better condition, whether it's a photo of great historical people, or portraits of family members. With the development of AI technology today, it is possible that we can accurately reconstruct photos of faces and bring old photos to life once again. Want to know how this is done in seconds? In this video, I will share with you 4 online AI tools to easily animate old photos. Follow this channel and let's jump in. The first tool is called Deep Nostalgia. You can find the website link in the description. There are some good examples of the result in this page. To create your own animated photo, you need to upload a photo first. For demonstration, I will use a stock image downloaded from Pexels. After uploading, next you want to wait for the AI to do the process. Seconds later, the animation is ready. The result is kind of amazing. You can then download the video to the local file. One thing to note is that the downloaded video has MyHeritage watermark on it. To remove the watermark, you will need to become a subscriber of the website. Free users can only create around 5 animations for free. According to the website, a complete subscription costs around $17 per month annually. The second tool is HitPaw Online Tools. It uses AI technology to animate old photos. The link can be found in the description. I will use the same image as an example. You may select an area to proceed. Then just leave it to the AI to process. Seconds later, we can get a vivid animated video. You can download it as MP4 or GIF to local files with full resolution and no quality loss. For free users, there will be a watermark on the video. Free users can create 6 videos each day. The cost for pro users is around $10 monthly. And you are also able to use all the online media tools here, including video converter, background remover, watermark remover, etc. The third tool is cutout.pro. As usual, I will upload the same image. And we can see a comparison. Here are some default animation types for you to choose. Some are really funny. However, free users can only download 360p video with a watermark on the bottom left. Users will need to buy credits if they want to download high-definition video or GIF images. What's different is that the website offers pay-as-you-go service. It costs $19 for a 1-minute video. The next tool is GoodTrust. Here are some examples of the results. It offers 2 animation types. The fun emotion has more exaggerated facial expressions. The nostalgic emotion is more gentle and natural. However, this website doesn't provide free preview. You will need to buy credits for creating videos. 1 credit equals 1 animation. Alright, these are the 4 online AI tools to animate old photos. Try them on your own photos and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Hope this video helps. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful media tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you next time.